Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can charge OPPO A60. So in order to charge our device, we will need to use a charger. And unfortunately, the bad news is that the charger is missing in the box. We will not find the charger inside the box as it is shown at the back of the box. So unfortunately, we have to purchase a charger, or we need to get old charger, charger from the old device, let's say, or any other device if you have one. Once you have the charger, then you can use the USB cable that is included in the box. Now I have my own cable, but you can find a pretty similar one inside the box. And what you need to do is plug it in, plug everything in, so plug the cable to the charger, and then the other end plug to the device. There we go. I made a little mess, but that's fine. And of course, now what we need to do is power our charger. So let's do this quickly. And once you do that, you should be able to charge your device. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.